What is your favourite ice cream flavour?
My current favourite is coconut.
Do you like being the Children's Commissioner of Wales?
I love being the Children's Commissioner for Wales. I love meeting children and hearing about their issues and trying to do something about it.
How did you become the Children's Commissioner for Wales?
I saw the job advert, applied for it, and then had 3 interviews, including 2 with young people and 1 with adults.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are swimming, walking, and meeting my friends.
What does Rocio mean?
Rocio means dew, as in dew that you get on grass in the morning.
What's your favourite film?
I love the Mamma Mia films.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish, and I'm learning Welsh. I also know a little bit of French and German.
Why did you want to become the Children's Commissioner of Wales?
I just wanted to help as many children and young people as possible.
Do you enjoy living in Wales?
Yes, I love Wales. I've lived here since I was a baby.
What was your favourite playground game?
I really used to love skipping. I'm pretty good at skipping.